Hi ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. I am Rovilyn Marquez Babaran. I am 41-year-old. I have one children. She's 16 years old now. I have experience in Middle East 2009 until 2011. Finished contract. Um, I taking care elder. She's 92 years old and doing house chores. And also I have experience in Macau for 5 years in one employer since 2019 until 2004. My employer have two kids, same boy, 8 years old and 13 years old. The 8 years old I send and pick up to school. Then I go to market, and also I'm doing house chores and cooking. I know basic cooking in Chinese also, and speak little bit and understand little bit Chinese also. Thank you, ma'am, sir.